I get a lot of satisfaction treating ingrown toenails because patients usually come in with excruciating pain and I get to send them home feeling a whole lot better. An ingrown nail occurs when a corner of the nail grows into the flesh of the toe, causing redness and swelling, followed by pain and often infection. Ingrown toenails can occur due to improper trimming of the toenail, trauma, or genetic factors. Treatment for ingrown toenails is performed by gently numbing the toe and then removing the infringing corner of the nail. Most often, we will then apply a chemical to the nail root to permanently prevent the regrowth of the ingrown portion of the nail. Patients are typically back into a shoe and can resume their normal activities almost immediately. If you have an ingrown toenail, don't be afraid to come in. Your treatment will be gentle and virtually painless, and will get you back to your normal activities right away.